There are many, many functionalities of sugar. So one of its properties is to alter flavor. It can add, it can enhance other flavors or minimize, which that's important too. For example, just a little bit of sugar will go a long way to minimize the taste of starch and bring out flavors that are desired in a carrot or in a pea or in corn, will enhance the flavor. Aroma is very important. So humans can taste sweet, salty, bitter, acidity, and umami. Flavor, it's when your sense of smell and all those tastes start to interact. So taste and aroma are all linked together because you're using your sense of smell.